is Sheja Stanley here. Today yet another small grammar topic we will finish it here, that is remove unless. Again this is a construction sentence in which a complex sentence will be given and they will ask you to remove unless, and when you are removing unless, what you have to replace it with is by if. Now whenever you remember that wherever in a sentence unless is there, when you are removing, they are asking you to remove, you replace that unless with if. Now when you are using if, you should use negation also. Now the rule goes like this: whenever a sentence is given where the unless is added, say unless is a subordinator, that means a complex sentence is given to you. Whenever a complex sentence is there, there is a main clause and subordinate clause. In the subordinate clause you will find unless. So when you are removing unless, replace that unless by if. Now whenever you are using if, there are certain conditions how you should use if. See this one. See that this is a rule. Wherever unless is there, when you are removing unless, replace that unless with if. Now if should be always followed by the subject, whatever the subject of the given sentence is there, and it must be always followed by auxiliary verb. Now as I told you, auxiliary verb, it is all the forms of to do form, to have form, and all the modal auxiliary verb. If it is not there, then you have to take the help of to do form, that is do, does and did. All these things, when to use the to do form, I have given it in the description box. If you are watching this lecture for the first time, you watch this to do form lecture, so you will be able to better understand when to use do, does and did form. Now whenever unless is there, as I told you, the first is replace unless by if. It is always followed by the subject. After subject you add auxiliary verb. In the sentence auxiliary verb is there, use the same auxiliary verb. If not, you have to use do, does and did. Do is used whenever the verb is in root verb form. Does is used whenever the verb is in RVS form. And did is used whenever the verb is in past form, that is RVD or spell change. And you have to use always not. And after that the remaining sentence as it is. Okay. So understand, unless रहेगा तो replace it by if. If is followed by subject. Subject is followed by auxiliary verb. If there is no auxiliary verb, use to do form, and not compulsory, and then the remaining sentence. With example, it will be easy for you. Now see, unless can be beginning with either in the middle of the sentence or in the beginning of the sentence. See on the first example, they will not stop accusing her unless you would support them. Now see, they will not stop accusing her unless you would support them. Now here it is unless is here. So here you have to apply this rule. So this sentence, they will not stop accusing her, you have to write as it is. Where unless is coming, you have to apply the rule. So let's see now. They will not stop accusing her. Now unless is come. Where unless is there, you use if. Now if it is in the middle of the sentence, you start with a small letter. If, and what is the subject here? You. So you put you. If you. Now there is auxiliary verb would. So put that same auxiliary verb would, and what is the thing you have to use? Not. If you would not support them. Understood the application of the rule? Remove unless. See, unless whenever you are removing, replace unless by if. After if, there is this subject. After this subject, auxiliary verb. In the given sentence, the auxiliary verb is there, use the same auxiliary verb. If not, then you have to take the help of do, does and did. And then it is always followed by not. And then the remaining sentence. Now see the example. They will not stop accusing her unless you would support them. Unless is in the middle. So up till here you have to write as it is. So they will not stop accusing her unless this comes. So now see, unless, remove it by if. Then there is subject is here, you. You put you. Auxiliary verb already is there, would. So use the same auxiliary verb would. And then you have to use not. You would not support them as it is. Understood? Now let's see the next example. In the next example, you will see it is starting with unless. Unless I talk to my parents, I cannot do anything. Now say unless it is there in the beginning of the sentence. So you just apply the rule of unless over here. Unless is there to replace by if. What is the subject? I. So you put that I. If I. Now there is verb talk. Is there any auxiliary verb in this sentence? I talk to my parents? No. And the verb talk is RV form. Whenever root verb is there, what is the auxiliary verb you have to use of to do form? Do. So if I do not. See here, auxiliary verb के बाद not डालना है. So if I do not talk to my parents, I cannot do anything. Understood the application of the rule of remove unless here? Unless is there, so you replace if, subject I. Talk is a verb. In this sentence there is no auxiliary verb, so you are taking the help of do form. Why do form? Because talk is root verb form, so you are using do. After that auxiliary verb you have to put not, so you put over there not. So if I do not talk to my parents, I cannot do anything. See the third example. The Kargil would not have been conquered unless our soldiers fought well. So here in this sentence, unless, in this example, the Kargil would not have conquered unless our soldiers. So unless is over here. So this sentence as it is, without any change, you have to rewrite it. So the sentence will be like this. The Kargil would not have been conquered. Now let's come. Unless is there, you have to apply the rule. So think and do. Unless, replace it by if. If के बाद the subject. What is the subject in this sentence? Our soldiers. So write the same subject. Our soldiers. Our soldiers. Now fought is there. That is, there is no auxiliary verb. And fought is past form. So what you have to use? You have to take the helping verb of to do form. Now when the verb is in past form, that is RVDS spell change, which is a to do form you are going to use? Did. Fought is past form. So you have to use did. So if our soldiers did, now after the auxiliary verb you have to use not. If our soldiers did not fight well, because whenever you are using do, does and did, the action verb will be in the root verb form. So if our soldiers did not fight well. Understood, children, how to do exactly this one? See, the Kargil would not have been conquered. Apply the rule of unless. That is, if subject is our soldiers. Fought is a verb. There is no auxiliary verb. So you have to take the help of to do form. Fought is past form. That is spell change form here. So you are taking the help of did. So you are using did not fight well. It cannot be fought well, because whenever you are using do, does and did, you are going to take the help of the root verb itself. So if our soldiers did not fight well. I hope you all have understood this grammar topic of remove unless. If you have liked it, do share it and subscribe it, as well as share it with your friends and relatives. See you all then. There will be question session and answer session. Do solve that and then check how well you have understood it. Bye. See you all.